Next respiratory virus is human rhinovirus. It has over 100 serotypes, which has been classified under 3 types: human rhinovirus A, B and C respectively. And as the name suggests, rhino, from where we common symptom is rhinorrhea. Yes, these viruses cause nasal congestion leading to sneezing. Congestion also leads to headache, sometimes fever. The symptoms are presentable with cold, cough, sore throat, sneezing, nasal congestion, headache, mild fever, just like any other flu, but it is milder one and restricted to upper respiratory mostly. In rare cases it may complicate the case to reach to lower respiratory tract region and leading to bronchiolitis and pneumonia. And incubation period is only 1 to 2 days, although rhinovirus infection can be seen throughout the year, but they peak during the spring and fall.